Amazon Prime, Day 2026, Best Smart Home Lock, Video Doorbell, and Security Camera Deals. A deeply discounted 1080p video doorbell with two-way audio and remote monitoring, ideal for affordable front door security. Arlo's 2K doorbell offers sharper video, motion alerts, two-way talk, and seamless integration with the broader Arlo ecosystem. Combines garage access control, onboard video, unique PIN codes, and activity alerts to secure one of your home's most vulnerable entries. An ultra-affordable 2K indoor camera with live monitoring and motion alerts, ideal for pets, babies, and general home security. A weather-resistant 2K outdoor camera with battery power, smart notifications, and easy installation for driveways, yards, and entryways. 2 Arlo Essential 2K cameras plus 6 months of Secure Plus deliver high-value, intelligent monitoring for homes or small businesses. A 3-camera 2K wireless system with advanced motion detection, ideal for flexible whole property coverage around larger homes. ADT's Blue Kits offer discounted self-installed indoor, outdoor, and doorbell camera packages with app-based monitoring and easy expansion. A minimalist BHMA AAA rated smart lock hiding technology inside the door, with Apple HomeKey and major smart home support. Transforms your existing deadbolt into a discreet smart lock, preserving exterior hardware while adding remote access and app control.
Go to GearBrain for more information.